Welcome to our channel, Goo Goo Gaga Kids.
5 little ducks. 5 little ducks went out to play. On a bright and sunny day, they splashed in puddles, having fun, playing games out in the sun. 4 little ducks found a rainbow bright, shining with colors, what a sight. They waddled happily 2 by 2, watching the clouds drift across the blue. 3 little ducks saw a butterfly fluttering gently through the sky. They followed along with happy feet, dancing to a cheerful beat. 2 little ducks found a little pond, floating on water far beyond. They paddled around with joyful smiles, exploring nature for many miles. 1 little duck saw friends nearby, waving their wings and saying hi. Soon all the ducks came back once more, waddling together to the shore. 5 little ducks said quack, 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 marching together down the track, flapping their wings with joyful cheer, happy to be together here. Quack, 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 let's sing today. 5 little ducks love to play, splash and waddle, laugh and smile, join the ducklings for a while.
For more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our channel.